Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So if you're looking to sign up for Cash App without having to use their mobile app, you've come to the right video. So in today's video, we'll be seeing whether you can sign up for Cash App without having to use the mobile app. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. Alright, so before we head any further, it's important that you understand what Cash App is and how it actually works. Okay, so Cash App is a mobile payment service that lets you send and receive payments safely and conveniently within the United States. Okay, so Cash App is mobile app based. Okay, so it is based on mobile devices. Right, so they are mainly operational on mobile devices through the Cash App mobile app that's available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, depending on the mobile version you're using. It can be iOS or Android. Okay, so signing up for Cash App typically requires the app, and if you don't want to use the Cash App mobile app, you have just one option. Okay, because Cash App also operates a web platform that lets you access and manage your account in just one place. Okay, so let's head on to a mobile browser and see how we can sign up, if we can sign up through this platform without having to use the mobile app. Okay, so on your site you can just open any mobile browser. It doesn't matter whether it's Safari or Google Chrome. On my site I'll just open the browser for my PC. Okay, so I'll just head on to the browser, and once in your browser you just want to search for cash.app, just like so, and you hit enter. Okay, so this is a Cash App web platform. Alright, so through this web platform you can log into your Cash App account and actually manage your account balance. Okay, so this is how you can also download the Cash App mobile app through the Cash App web platform through this QR code. So what interests us here is to see whether we can sign up for Cash App without having to use the mobile app. So I'm just going to click on this login, or let me tap on this hamburger icon first. Nothing on this side, so I'll just click on login, and as you can see, the login says enter your phone number or email, new to Cash App, create account. Okay, so we're supposing that we don't have a Cash App account. If you actually have a Cash App account, you can use your mobile number to sign in, whether you are in the United Kingdom or in the United States. And also you can also use an email address if you sign up for Cash App using an email address. Okay, so what interests us here is this create account. So let's see if we can actually create an account Cash App. Okay, so when you click on that, you see to create an account, enter your phone number or email address, or do you have an account, login. Alright, so you just have to enter your mobile number and or your email address depending on where you are. Okay, so if you're in the United Kingdom, just select United Kingdom, and if you're in the United States, just select United States. Okay, so if you don't want to use your mobile number, you can just go in with your email. So I'm just going to head on with the email, so I'll just tap on this use email, and now we're required to enter an email address. Okay, alright, so I just entered my email and then I requested a code. So Cash App just sent me a verification code that I will need to enter to confirm. So let me enter that one real quick. Just have to follow the prompts to continue signing up for Cash App. Okay, so if you experience any issue while signing up, like the email not received, you just want to click on this get help here, and then you click on resend code. Okay, because this is a major issue that users face when they sign up for Cash App through the web platform. It isn't as sophisticated as a mobile app, which is why you always experience these kind of minor issues. Okay, so that's how you get to sign up for Cash App without having to use the mobile app. Okay, don't forget, when you get on the web platform, just follow the sign up process, enter your email address or phone number, and then just follow the prompts. You will be asked to enter a payment method which you can skip if you don't want to enter right away. Enter some basic information about yourself, choose your cash tag, and then proceed with accessing your Cash App account. Alright, so that's how you get to sign up for Cash App without having to use the mobile app. Okay guys, we've come to the end of our video. If you found it actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming update. Alright, so I catch you on the next one.